Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. You guys saw me create this burlap box out of some Dollar Tree foam and some burlap fabric. Since then, you guys have seen me give it makeovers for different parts of the season using different florals and different accessories. Now, the last year I used it to recreate this beautiful Christmas centerpiece, and I thought it would be fun to give it a fall makeover with a few items. This is what the centerpiece looks like right now. It's a little raggedy because it's been in storage, so it'll be nice to give it a little makeover. So I went to Hobby Lobby and bought this garland. It was 50% off, so I only bought it for $10. And it's actually pretty cool because it comes in two pieces and you can take it apart and reuse it separately or attach it back together. I also got a couple of bushes. They were all half off, and I even got some of these little white sprigs that you see right here. It was $5.99, but it was half off as well, and I can reuse this for Christmas also. I also purchased this potpourri from Hobby Lobby. It smells amazing, and I thought I would add some of it to the arrangement. And last, I had some Dollar Tree pumpkins from last year and some new ones from this year, and I thought I would just bring them in and see which ones I wanted to use for this arrangement. So first things first, it's time to remove all of the Christmas decor. The foam was still in pretty good condition, so I did not remove it. And I have a Dollar Tree Christmas garland that I keep on the perimeter of the foam. That way it holds it in and gives me any extra filler that I might need. As you saw, I split the garland in half. I just basically took it apart where it joins, and I'm going to use that other piece up on my mantle. But it's going to be nice whenever I'm done using it for fall, I can either put it back together and use it as one long piece, or I can use it separately again. And then I just began filling in different areas with different greeneries. I wanted this to look a little rustic. Now, because I didn't fill the entire box with that floral foam and I have that gap where I stuff it with the garland, I don't always have to cut down my bushes. Therefore, I can use them in the future because they lay in right nicely in that little gap. I added the scented potpourri and pine cones throughout, and it is just a wonderful, beautiful fall cinnamony smell that this has. So it's kind of nice when you walk by it now and are able to smell it. I ended up adding also some of those Dollar Tree white berries that you see this time of year. And that was pretty much it for the centerpiece. I thought I would share my little process with you guys in case you guys were wondering about making yourselves a little centerpiece. And if you want the tutorial on how to make this box, I'll link it in the description box below. This piece is actually quite large and it fills my table up very nicely. And always, you can use your very own color scheme to match your decor for anything like this. So I hope you enjoyed this really easy DIY. Make sure to hit like if you enjoyed this video. I'll add my fall decor playlist so you guys can see it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, adios!